Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to sign into Gmail in Chrome. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is up and running, direct your attention to the address bar at the top of your screen. This is where you'll type in the website address to access Gmail. In the address bar, type gmail.com and press enter on your keyboard. This will take you directly to the Gmail homepage where you can access your email account and all its features. Once the Gmail page loads, you'll notice a sign-in button, typically located in the upper right corner of the screen. Go ahead and click on this button to proceed to the login page. This is the gateway to accessing your personal Gmail account and all your emails. After clicking Sign In, you'll be taken to a new page where you need to enter your credentials. In the first field, input your email address or phone number associated with your Gmail account. This is the identifier Google uses to recognize your account and grant you access to your emails. Make sure you enter it correctly to avoid any login issues. Once you've entered your email address or phone number, click the Next button. This will move you forward to the next step of the authentication process. The page will briefly load as Google verifies the information you've provided. Now you'll be prompted to enter your password. In the password field, carefully type in your account password. This is your security layer that protects your personal emails and data from unauthorized access. Make sure you enter it accurately, paying attention to any capital letters or special characters. After entering your password, click the Next button once again. Google will now verify your credentials and grant you access to your Gmail account. This process usually takes just a moment, so give it a second to complete the authentication. And that's it. You're now successfully signed into your Gmail account through Chrome and can access all your emails, send messages, and manage your inbox. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.